My trees, okay, stop.
What's up, TTG gang? It's your boy Trig and I'm back with another vid. You dig? As y'all seen by that title, y'all know it's about to get lit. Alright y'all, so right now she in the living room, she's sleeping. We was watching, she was showing me some type of show and she ended up going to sleep on me. With that being said, you cannot sleep around Team Trig, and thank you not finna get pranked. Y'all know what time it is. Spam them comments, Team Trig. Before we even get started in the video, I need y'all to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the family because y'all know it's about to get lit. Let's get it. Babe, I'm tired too.
Okay, my trees, but you're snoring loud. Munchies. 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 Okay, stop. You're hurting my ears. Munchies, okay, you're hurting my ears. Gosh. Munchies!
Man, what's your problem?
Munchies, you snoring too loud and you hurting my ears.
I'm tired too.
Okay, Munchies,
You ain't the only one that can sleep around here, man.
Okay, I
Let me
never
sleep.
said that, but you're hurting my ears.
Okay,
Please
we'll go
stop.
to the room, go to the bed.
I don't want to. Stop.
Get up. We don't sleep around here. That's why it's Team Trick around this day. Yes. Y'all, we do not sleep around here. Tell your girl Tree get up, y'all. She thought she was gonna be sleeping, y'all. Like, we don't do that around here. You know your boy Team Trig in the building. You dig had to get your girl Tree again. I know. Go ahead and holler at your girl real quick. Get up.
Okay, just leave me alone.
You really looking rough, baby, for real, for
Baby,
real.
I know that's what I'm saying. Get the camera on my face for real.
It's all good, y'all. If you like this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Go ahead and comment down below. Team Trig, your boy always catching your girl slipping. Don't sleep around me. You better tell them, baby. You can't sleep around me. Yeah. Anyways, run the views up. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell button so you can stay notified when we drop these bangers. We out. Holla.